How to set the display appearance to light or dark mode on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe across and tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, scroll down and then tap on Display and Brightness. After that, at the top here in the Appearance section, tap on light or dark mode. So if I select dark mode, you can see my phone go into dark mode. So if I open up an app, it is in dark mode. If I go into settings, the background is dark. And then you can also choose light mode. So in the appearance section, select light or dark mode. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.